Hi, this is Jen with Cherry Tree Beads, and today I'm going to show you how to make these moonstone hoop earrings. We offer the kits for making these at cherrytreebeads.com. The kit includes all that you see here: the ear wires, 4mm jump rings, 30mm hoops, and 8x32 Moonstone Rectangle bezels. The only other things you'll need other than the kit are pliers. Today I'm going to be using 2 chain nose pliers. I think they work best with the jump rings, but you can use whatever pliers you have on hand. You want to use a jump ring to attach your hoop and your bezel. You want to find where the jump ring is split and come to the side of that and hold tight with 1 pair of pliers. And then you want to come to the other side with your other pair of pliers, and you want to twist gently in the opposite direction so that your jump ring opens up. And you just want to open it up enough to accommodate your hoop and your bezel going on there. And then you want to do the same thing to shut it. You want to hold one side with the pliers and the other side of the jump ring, and you want to twist that back into place. So now you've got this attached, and all you need to do is add your ear wire. To add the ear wire, all we're going to do is take it and we're going to pull it open. We're going to put the hoop on, and we're going to close it back up. And you're just going to repeat those same steps for the other earring, and then you will have your pair. Thanks so much. I hope you love these earrings as much as we do. And remember, you can find the kit to make them at cherrytreebeads.com. Thanks.